Hello everybody, welcome. It's our Shumatt's live streaming. I'm the live streamer Caitlin. Our company specializes in the commercial diesel parts, and our products include the injector, the valve assembly, the pumps, the repair kit, the CV valve, the sensors, etc. And today we're going to share with you is our valve assembly, this one. And now please follow me. Let's check the details of this product. Firstly, you can see the outside packages, and this blue VCI anti-rust back here. This is the product SKU, and it includes the product code is F00RJ01683. And for this kind of logo labeled packages, etc., we can support customized service. So if you have this kind of needs, please feel free to contact us. Okay. And now, stay with me. Let's open it to share the details for you. Wow, take a look. Inside of it, as you can see, this kind of transparent bottles and can be better avoid some damages, avoid some hurt from the transportation. That's the oil paper. Generally, we use this kind of oil paper to wrap it up. This is the whole side of the valve assembly. Generally, we not only selling this kind of whole side, we also selling the separate one, such as this valve cap or the valve rod. If you look carefully, we'll find on the valve cap there with the coating figures here, and this is the valve rod. For our product, we have the quality guaranteed. 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you are not set with the quality, we can return or exchange it. So no worries. If you want try our product, please just make an order. Here, Caitlin has 3 tips I'd like to share with you. First tip is if you want to clean it, clean it with oil. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Okay, that's all. So much for the introductions. Any questions, please make comments below these videos. And at last, if you can follow us at our YouTube or the Facebook account, I really appreciate. And also we have our WhatsApp, the emails, the phone numbers, the website. Choose one way. Feel free to contact us. Waiting for news. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you.